Holding gate lang, dismounted.
Holding it. Come to me. South angle, guys. South angle. Dismount here. Food check OC. Come right. Come right.
Ready defensive ba?
Ready
Ready tayong
Ready ka agad
biglain yan.
Ready ka agad.
Matalon yan.
Biglain tayo yan.
Hold. Wala naman sila, wala sa bomb squad na. Wala na. Hold.
Parang wala naman.
Okay, step up kayo. Skip a fake ako golem. Wait. Defense. Full defense.
Defensive.
Full defense. Ready. Shallow only. Wait. Wait. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Come back. Titangs try to hold. Silence pull sa gate. Titangs hold them now.
Trying to walk out sila. Trying to walk out.
Come south and spread. Hold.
Bumalik sila.
Hold. Look northwest. Wait. Sabihin niyo pag ready kayo
Ready na.
Wait. Looking sila. Defense. Fail. Walk up now. Pahil ako. Ready north. Shallow in 5. Tatlo lang. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Konti pa. Nice. Come back now. Come back now. Kalkal, come back. They have CDs in 5 seconds. In 5 to 10 seconds. Hold now. Silence pull on the choke. Hold. Chill tech now, please. Hold.
Pumasok sila, second gate.
Okay. Ready. Straight north over the wall in 5.
Ready defensive.
3, 2, 1 now. Straight north. Now spread to my southwest and south. Okay, southwest and south. Hold.
May dito sa loob natin
Hold. Q's and W's dito guys, Q's and W's dito. Looking.
Ranging.
Defense now.
Defensive.
Good defense. Hold. Q's and W's. Wait. Skip a fake ako. Hodge pa fake.
Done.
Okay, hold. Look, inside us. Look, inside us lang. Look at me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, inside us. Okay.
Nice. Spread. One hammer yan.
Spread.
Same as player.
Hold.
Nasa likod natin,
Walang cleric yung mates clear Hold. Careful yung sa east ko. Careful sa east ko. Looking sila. Wait. Hold.
Kung nag-ano si Monkey. Nag-cleric si Monkey
Skip a fake ako. Step up.
Cleric si Monkey.
Okay, Hodge. Sino yung Hodge ko? Jax, ready
No
to
root
fake
bound.
Okay, ready. Pa-fake ako straight north, Jax. In 3, 2, 1, pa-fake. Come back. Spread kayo.
Itapakin nyo yung yung battlemount sa gilid, ang kulit.
Pa-cleanse.
Q's and W's. Cleanse. Looking. Wait. Looking sila. Defense. Look shallow. Wait. Shallow inside us lang Wait. Look at me. Wait for cleric. Ready. Straight on the choke. Shallow in 3, 2, 1. Now. Drop damage.
They walking in.
Now spread.
They walking in.
Spread now. Spread to my south and southwest. Ditang hold them. Q's and W's sa mga tao sa loob nyo. Huwag kayo lumabas. Q's and W's. Oh my God, guys. Ba't kayo lumabas, guys? Hello?
Ready.
Hold. Inside lang Look at me. Shallow, ready. Straight north. In 5, inside 2, 3, 1, go. On me. Konti pa. Q's and W's dito sa nag-cleric.
Uy, mamaya na kayo mag-loot.
Q's and W's sa nag-cleric. Stop looting, guys. Ready defense Come back. Looking sila. Defense.
GA na GA.
Good defense. Come south. Reset. Q's and W's may low dito sa south. Nice. Hold.
Ganda ng kalkal namin sa likod.
Yung mga namatay part 1.
kalkal na ako
Hold.
Masyado kayong deep dyan
Oh no, techno.
Masyado kayo malalim, guys.
Stick base sa southwest.
Ready fake.
Southwest, guys Hindi ko kayo pinapalabas ng castle Ba't
Yung
kayo
nalabas
lumabas?
kami kanina, nabap kami nung bastion.
Battleman.
Hold.
Dismount na yung bastion, no?
Hold lang. Looking sila. Wait. Stepping up sila. Ready, guys Hold. Spread kayo southwest and south. Ready, looking sila. Defense sa front. Okay, hold. Gate pots. Look south. Look straight east. Straight east. Ready. In 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, one straight east now. Straight east. Drop damage. Q's and W's, konti pa. Now hold.
Daming
Hold
yun,
again.
daming yun.
Hold again. Don't overextend.
May mga nasa likod natin ah.
BL backlines ha.
5 seconds. Come back now. 5 seconds. Meron sila. Come back.
Tatlong BL yun.
Right to my south, guys. Stop pushing. Come south.
One healer down sa kanila.
Layo kalman.
Come south. Careful yung east ko ah. Looking sila. Yung mga namatay, please regear. Come back. Q's and W's yung mga nasa loob. Hold.
Alpox yung DPS mo pang stack mo para isang cleanse ko lang.
Okay. Wait lang.
41
Stepping up sila guys.
DPS.
Careful.
Station
Stepping up.
Fake.
Wait. Not yet. Hold. Kailangan natin mag-counter. Hindi tayo pwede
Rush stepping up. Call stepping up.
Wait. Yung south careful south. Spread kayo dyan. Q's and W's. Defense north. Look straight south. Inside us lang. Wait. On me. Look at Alpha in 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. Konti pa. No damage. Okay, spread.
May
Spread
brawlers
south and
na rin sila.
southwest. Spread and south and southwest. Southwest, huwag kayo lalabas ha. Huwag kayo lalabas. Hold and spread lang kayo dito sa loob. Q's and W's. Ditang hold them. Defense suits. Ready defensives ha.
Namamatay backline nila.
Hold. Defense now. Look shallow northeast. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Drop damage. Konti pa. Mamamatay na to si Monkey. Q's and W's kay Monkey guys. Execute kay Monkey. Nice one. Q's and W's. Hold now. Hold. May defensive sila. May engage line 5. Hold.
May isa pa.
Isa pa.
Dito sa panditang.
Q's and W's.
Pwede tayo dumaan sa Lord mo.
Yes. Wait. Come Lord now.
Looking inching DPS sila.
Ditang wait.
Look.
Nice. Step up now. Look north. Sa north side. Look north, guys. Look at me, north. Ready, shallow lang. 3,
Papel, may heal ako. Pasok.
1. North now. North. Okay, come back southeast. Q's and W's. Come back east. Odin, respond. Come northeast. Pasok. Come northeast, papunta tayo, Lord. Come northeast, shallow.
Pwede tayo sa Lord Room mag-ano.
Yes.
Odin,
Pasok, fast.
Patay na rin natin yung guard sa south.
Come north fast.
Maunahan tayo, ayun na.
Engaging.
Careful.
Defensive.
Defense. Okay, ready. Northwest shallow
Wala
lang.
nang root
Shallow.
bounce.
Ready.
Defensive.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Pasok kayo. Q's and W's. Q's and W's. Sabihin niyo pag meron kayo. Spread to my west. Spread to my north. Pasok. Don't be scared. Pasok kayo. Trickle. May city sila. Careful. Defense now.
Engaging na GA.
Defense now. Nice. Ready. Okay, ready. Look straight north. North on the chest. Shallow north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North.
Caller nila nasa gate.
Okay, brawl. Keep rolling.
Tulungan mo kami mga healer dito rin, no?
Ang daming low.
Falling back
Ready?
sila.
In 5 seconds.
Going
In
back
5
forward.
seconds.
Going back kanan.
Yes.
One healer down.
Sunod. Stay Lord.
Pull kayo ng golem.
Engaging.
Stay Lord. Defense now. Oh my God. Stay Lord, guys. Stay Lord. Come west now. Come west.
OC 3 minutes.
Come south. Kill Q's and W's sa guards.
3 minutes na yung OC nila, magsisilabas na.
Okay, come south.
They're
looking.
Come north. Pasok kayo, Lord. Don't be in the cannon.
Lord up.
Don't be in the cannon. Wait.
Ang dami nila dito.
Wait. On the east, ready. 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Nice damage. Defense now. Full defense. Now spread.
Going out
Spread
sila.
to my west. West and south.
Kill sa
Spread
gitna.
to west and south.
Judy. Pasok kayo.
Keep going. Push nyo konti south. Q's and W sa loob nyo. Listen, Q's and W sa loob nyo.
Kasi hindi kayo makakabalik pag lumabas kayo dyan, ha?
Huwag kayo lalabas, ha?
Huwag kayo lalabas.
Dami lumabas. Makakalkal.
Okay,
It's okay. Broken naman na
Okay,
sila.
broken
Lord.
sila.
Everyone come Lord now. Clear comms. Come Lord now. Everyone, drop your east on Lord now.
Ang bigat ko na.
Holy fuck.